It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. That small orange box you use for baking cookies or freshening up the fridge. But what if I told you that this humble household item, baking soda, holds powerful health benefits that go far beyond cooking and cleaning? From balancing your body's pH levels to whitening teeth, calming heartburn, and even showing potential cancer-fighting properties, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is more than just a pantry staple. It's a natural remedy that's been quietly supporting human health for generations. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the science-backed benefits of baking soda. We'll uncover how it works in the body, explore its surprising medical uses, and find out whether it deserves a permanent spot in your health toolkit. Let's get into it. Let's start with one of the most well-known uses, neutralizing acid. Baking soda is a natural alkalizing agent. It works by reacting with acids and raising the pH of your body or environment. That's why it's commonly used to relieve heartburn, indigestion, and acid reflux. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda supplementation helped people with chronic kidney disease by slowing the decline of kidney function. The reason? It reduced the acidity in their bodies, which in turn took stress off the kidneys. Researchers called it a cheap and effective intervention that could improve quality of life for people with kidney problems. And that's just the beginning. Baking soda has also been studied for its ability to enhance physical performance, especially in high-intensity workouts. During intense exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to fatigue and that burning sensation. Baking soda acts as a buffer, reducing acidity in the blood and improving endurance. A review in Sports Medicine confirmed that sodium bicarbonate supplementation improved exercise performance in events lasting between 1 and 7 minutes. Think sprinting, rowing, or high-rep weight training. But let's take it further, because where it gets really interesting is its potential role in cancer treatment. Yes, you heard that right. A 2009 study published in Cancer Research showed that baking soda may help inhibit the spread of metastatic breast cancer in mice. The idea is that tumors create an acidic environment around themselves to thrive and invade other tissues. By alkalizing that environment, baking soda may make it harder for the cancer to spread. Now let's be clear, this doesn't mean baking soda cures cancer, but it does suggest that altering pH levels in the body may play a role in slowing down tumor growth. More research is needed, but this opens up fascinating possibilities for integrative cancer care. In fact, some doctors are exploring bicarbonate therapy as a complementary treatment in cancer patients, especially in protocols that combine conventional medicine with natural pH balancing strategies. And while we're talking about acidity, let's talk about something you use every single day: your mouth. Baking soda is a natural teeth cleanser. It gently scrubs away plaque, neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, and helps whiten teeth, all without the harsh abrasives or synthetic chemicals found in commercial toothpaste. A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda was significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth compared to non-baking soda formulas. Plus, it's gentle on enamel, making it a smart choice for people with sensitive teeth. And here's something else you might not know. Baking soda also fights bad breath. Because it neutralizes odors and reduces the acidity that allows odor-causing bacteria to flourish, it's often used as a natural mouthwash. Just half a teaspoon mixed with water can freshen your breath and support oral hygiene, without artificial flavors or dyes. But baking soda doesn't just work internally. It can be used topically too. It's a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, which makes it great for soothing skin irritations, bug bites, and even eczema flare-ups. A 2014 study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that bathing in a solution of water and baking soda improved symptoms of psoriasis and itching. Let's keep going, because the versatility of baking soda doesn't stop at digestion, teeth, or skin. Did you know that it can also support urinary health? Because baking soda is an alkaline compound, it can help neutralize acidic urine. This may reduce the burning sensation and discomfort during urinary tract infections. While it's not a cure, some practitioners recommend it as a temporary relief method alongside proper hydration and natural antimicrobials like cranberry or D-Minose. A clinical review in Renal and Urology News noted that urinary alkalinization, raising the pH of urine, can help reduce UTI symptoms and make the bladder less hospitable to bacteria. But again, it's important to remember that this is supportive care, not a replacement for medical treatment if an infection is present. Now here's one of the more controversial uses of baking soda: balancing body pH to prevent chronic disease. Many alternative health practitioners believe that the modern diet, loaded with sugar, processed foods, and animal protein, creates a chronically acidic environment in the body. Over time, they argue, this low-grade acidosis may lead to inflammation, fatigue, and increased risk of disease. And while mainstream medicine doesn't fully embrace the alkaline diet trend, some research has shown that alkalizing agents like sodium bicarbonate may reduce markers of inflammation. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology revealed that daily consumption of a small baking soda solution stimulated anti-inflammatory pathways in the spleen, suggesting potential benefits for autoimmune conditions. Researchers concluded that it helped promote a physiological environment that maintains immune homeostasis. This could explain why many people report reduced joint pain, clearer skin, and improved energy when they consistently incorporate baking soda into their routine. Of course, the key is moderation. While baking soda offers plenty of potential benefits, taking too much can be harmful. Excessive use can lead to electrolyte imbalances, alkalosis, and high blood pressure, especially in people with kidney disease or heart conditions. That's why it's important to talk to your doctor before using it regularly as a supplement. The typical dosage used in most studies ranges from 1/2 to 1 teaspoon dissolved in water, once or twice a day. That small amount is usually enough to see benefits without overloading your system. Now, let's look at a few practical, low-risk ways to use baking soda at home. Digestive relief. 1/2 teaspoon in a glass of water can help relieve occasional heartburn or indigestion. Drink it slowly and don't use more than twice a day. Teeth whitening. Make a gentle paste using baking soda and water and brush 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid overuse to prevent enamel damage. Mouthwash. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon in a cup of warm water for a simple, effective breath freshener. Bath soak. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda to a warm bath to soothe irritated or itchy skin. Workout enhancer. Athletes sometimes take a small amount before intense training. Just be sure to do this under the guidance of a professional to avoid side effects. And here's a fun fact. Baking soda has even been used by NASA to control CO2 levels in space missions. If it's good enough for astronauts, it's probably worth a second look for the rest of us. So, is baking soda a miracle cure? Not quite. But it is a simple, affordable, and versatile remedy with a growing body of science to support its benefits, from digestion and oral health to inflammation and even cancer research. It's easy to overlook the everyday things in our cabinets, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe to Addicted to Health for more real, research-backed tools for natural healing. Until next time, keep your health simple, smart, and strong.